Okay, today I'm going to sharpen the blades of my lawnmower. I remove the spark plug wire, tilt it up onto this jack stand. So I position the blade about right there. Take this piece of wood, wedge it in place, keeps the blade from spinning. I use this torque wrench. It's long, so it gives you a lot of angle. And I loosen this bolt right here. So here's the blade. The blade is all dinged up and dull. And I'm going to use this bench grinder. I'm going to take the blade, run it right along the edge of this grinding wheel, and I shape it just like it is now. I take a screwdriver, put it in the middle, let the blade hang right in the center. You want it to be perfectly even. If one end is hanging down like this, then you need to shave a little bit more metal. You want it balanced, equal weight on both sides. Here's the blade now. It is razor sharp. Now I reinstall the blade. This time I've wedged the block of wood on the opposite side. And then I reinstall the spark plug. Altogether it took about 20 minutes to sharpen the blade.